can make multiple lakhs in just 3 months, something that takes most people 24 months to achieve. This video holds a special place for both you and me because this is not just a video. It carries a map of message that can truly change the way you think about money making. And this is on our channel, our first video, and I'm so excited to start this journey with you guys. So let's start. Everyone has the goal of becoming rich in life by mastering the art of making money. Even you would have that goal, and that's why you spend months grinding to learn how to make money and become a millionaire worth multiple crores. But when you search for how to make money, most answers sound the same, like learn a skill, provide value, make money, and someday you will be rich. More than 80% of people who follow this method will never reach their goal. You either burn out chasing small results or end up feeling like something is missing. Whereas you are missing a couple of steps that could help you create real money. But don't worry, in this video I will show you the exact way to achieve your goals. So basically you need a map, and let me introduce the map of business dynamics. If you can master any one skill in each stage, you can turn any idea into a money making machine. Let's move on to the first phase. So this is where you would stand at the beginning with an idea. Now you need personal assets. Let's start with the first one. You can complete phase 1 by learning a new skill, like video editing, content creation, dropshipping, or anything else that's in demand. Or you can use the knowledge that you already have, like skills gained through experience. For example, knowledge of stock market, real estate, social media, fashion, finance, tech, consumer psychology, AI, blockchain, and etc. Or from your personality, like if you are a good speaker, a strong actor, or have any other personality based skill, you can build on that. Another way is by using the resources that you already have. Maybe your business partner நீங்க capital வச்சிருக்கலாம், or any other platforms like YouTube or Instagram, இதில் நீங்க followers ஓடையும் வச்சிருக்கலாம். So that's the first phase, and prioritize the first and second method for the best results. Spend 2 to 6 months mastering phase 1 like a pro, so you never face a crisis, because this is your business foundation. Let's move on to the second phase. No matter how good your product or service is, if nobody knows you exist. In business, attention is the first currency you earn before money. You can grab attention in 3 best ways. Let's say you are making valuable tips content in Instagram or YouTube, then thousands of people can discover you without you spending a single rupee. This is visibility. And the second way is marketing. This is where people run ads, do promotion, influencer shoutouts, sponsorships, and a lot. When Apple launches a new iPhone, they don't just say, here is a phone. They tell a story that makes you feel you need it. And the third way is presence. Example, Nike is not just selling you shoes today. They are making sure their presence is everywhere. You will see their athletes, ads, and logo constantly. So when you need sportswear, they are the first brand you think of. Now people who know your product but they still don't trust you, and now that's the goal. To make them trust you, show off with consistent quality content on social media. Or you can share your real journey, behind the scenes moments, even your failures. Or just provide them certifications, published articles, guest appearances on podcasts, or just by sharing content of growth, quality, earnings, before and after results, and also testimonials. Now you are holding the power, and you already own half of the money game. And this is your moment to deliver value that they will never forget. Now you have their attention, you have their trust, now give them something big. Turn your knowledge into a weapon, package it as a course or ebook, deliver it to thousands, and turn that value into crores. Or step into the next big level, creating your own physical product brand. Sell it to thousands in your city, then across the country, then go international. Or offer high value service like social media management, freelancing, coaching, consulting, and more. It's like renting your skills. And lastly, create a system, tool, or package that solves their problem without your constant involvement. It's like software or mobile app or ready to use kit.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't miss the second part coming next week, where we'll also be sharing the top skills you can start learning in 2025 to become a millionaire. And if you'd like us to create a video on a topic of your choice, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to share your thoughts on this video too.